My name is Imran Shabbir. I am part of sales and marketing team of International Armored Group. International Armored Group is one of the world's largest armored vehicle manufacturers with over 20 years of reputed global experience. Over the years, we have built and supplied thousands of armored vehicles to clients around the world, including governments, armed forces, security consultants and contractors, oil and gas companies, NGOs and diplomatic missions, high-value commercial and precious cargo transporting companies, as well as private individuals and organizations. Today, we take great pride in introducing to the Singapore market two of our most prominent and popular vehicles, the armored Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series and the armored Toyota Hilux pickup truck. The Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series is one of the most rugged, safe and efficient vehicle in the industry today. It can be armored up to C and B7 or NIJ4 level and is able to resist armored piercing rounds. The design of this vehicle is carefully derived from our BRV 2009 BR7 certified vehicle, which was independently tested, proven and certified by a world-renowned and industry's preferred facility in Germany. Our VR7 vehicle had to undergo rigorous testing and it successfully sustained over 400 high-powered rifle rounds of 7.62 into 51 mm ammunition with a zero penetration. In addition, the same vehicle was subjected to blast tests for IEDs and grenades attacks, including a 17 kg TNT explosive and anti-tank mines. The Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series holds a high level of requirement worldwide and is commonly known for its multi-purpose utility in rough terrain and high-risk zones, as well as its overall safety features and maneuverability. IAG is proud to state that we have to date supplied and exported more than 5,000 armored SUVs around the globe. Some of currently deployed on major various operations used by governments, armed forces and security companies. Some of these may commonly be seen in region used by organizations like G4S, Malaysian Police and Army, to name a few. Our second vehicle on display today is the armored Toyota Hilux pickup truck, which is equally popular, most respected, as well as definitely one of the more capable pickup trucks in the armored vehicle industry. The Hilux has been one of the most prolific 4x4 pickup trucks being utilized in dangerous areas all over the world since last 4 decades. IAG is able to transform Toyota Hilux into different variations and customize it as per client's request. Some of these variations include armored gun trucks for military purpose, cargo carriers for valuables in transit, as well as convoy protection vehicles for VIPs and security companies, while offering maximum CE and B6 level protection and maintaining its discrete vehicle profile. In many parts of the world today, the Toyota Hilux is revered as one of the multi-purpose utility vehicle and is preferred by many governments, armed forces, law enforcement agencies, security companies, commercial valuables transporting firms, and larger mining operators to conduct their operations and respective projects. IAG is proud to claim that over 3,000 armored Toyota Hilux pickup trucks have been deployed globally to date. Now that you have become familiar with two of our flagship vehicles, so I would also like to avail this opportunity and want to provide little more information about International Armored Group and our capabilities. We have several locations and manufacturing facilities all around the world, located in United States, Canada, UK, Bulgaria, United Arab Emirates and Turkey. IAG is proud to announce that we have just expanded our UAE operations and opened a new manufacturing facility which is capable of armoring up to 150 armored vehicles per month. This new manufacturing facility is one of the largest and most technologically advanced armoring facilities in the world. With the help of our experienced engineering team, we have developed over 75 different armored vehicles designs platforms, all of which meets highest quality standards and best level of protection in the industry. Our smart armor design, including 360-degree overlap protection, as well as all of our vehicles are carefully upgraded with an advanced suspension system, heavy-duty wheel assemblies, and an upgraded brake system as a standard option. Our vehicles are fully backed with our comprehensive warranty and after-sales support, no matter which part of the world they are deployed in. For additional information about our products and capabilities, please visit our website www.interarmored.com. Thank you.